the van loading. We're going to go to the trains. Say hello to any people like you. Sarah. Yeah. Yeah, we've got these. Maybe. You just have to start doing this with me. It's like this is going to get painful otherwise. You can tell we've never done this before. So yeah.
What is it? It's a chemical reaction.
Shift. Shift. So this is the menu 3, chicken noodles and vegetable sauce, Amy.
We've got chicken chunks, white cooked. Bit vague.
We've never done this before, and we've never not in this particular way.
It's a bit of the back, isn't it?
Oh, it's fucking Skittles in mine.
Ah. Oh yeah, snacks. Other snacks. Cheese spread.
Tabasco sauces.
Whoa.
Tiny Tabasco sauces.
Being American is great.
I think everyone going over to the World Cup is figuring that out.
Oops.
About 50 years of anti-American sentiment blown apart in one World Cup. Should have done that a while ago, mate.
Beef stick. Beef stick.
So, well, what have you got there? Is
Fruit
that some
punch.
kind of chocolate thing?
First Strike energy bar.
I've got a lady's monthly towel inside the bag here, so
that's what
operating
we need,
instructions. We're going to heavily edit this.
Fruit punch. Electrolyte powder. Barbecue sauce. Barbecue corn nuggets.
Hot beverage bag.
No MSG so far.
I got a spoon.
I got a spoon as well.
Nice.
I got no Skittles.
No
gonna
Skittles
have to
for
do
you.
Chicken, there's go white.
You're not having any of my Skittles.
White chicken chunks.
Nice. Tropical base powder. I've got
This
the usual
is-
match. I've got a book of matches. Remember we were saying we don't see books of matches anymore?
Yeah.
Now I've got a book of matches in there. Iodized salt. I think that's for the cooking process, isn't it?
I've got something for the blind.
This is a guide for the chicken noodles. Look, that's the guide, nutritional guide. So, do you need this then? Because this is obviously a sleeve of some kind.
I think it's to hold it when it's hot. Something like that. We have to
Yeah,
put
because this
water-
folds at the bottom. Look.
That in there?
I think so. Look at
Oh
this.
yeah, look.
Created
Operating
like a
instructions.
sleeve for it. Are you reading the instructions right now?
I'm looking at the instructions.
Fucking
I've mostly
lame.
just looked at the pictures, to be honest.
Okay. Open MRE pouch and paperboard sleeve from MRE. It's trademarked as well. Tear off the top of the bag. So I have to tear the top of this bag off here.
Yeah.
Right. While holding MRE pouch.
Tear off. Place MRE pouch in bag with heater.
With the heater. What's the heater then?
Well, the heater's in the
I've got
bag.
fucking butter as well. That's banging.
Wow. This is good. Well, we share it.
No, absolutely not.
So like, cook the best one.
Raspberry apple
Chicken,
sauce.
white chicken chunks.
All happening for me. Chicken and noodle. Noodle.
That's painful to watch.
Yeah, it's probably like he's a grizzled professional watching this and just being like, "This fucking idiots doing it."
Absolutely.
Total.
Right, it's in the bag now. While holding the MRE pouch and heater above the line in the bag. Oh.
Right.
Slide heater and MRE
This little thing in here is the heater, is it? But you can't. It's telling you not to eat the heater.
It's only telling you to only fill it to here as well, so it's not a lot of water.
Yeah, it's a splash, as I understand. So I'm going to tear the top of this off now. Yeah. Do you have to? I got water in here.
White chicken chunks just sound a bit basic. Is that what the that's what the barbecue sauce and tortillas are for then?
Yeah.
Cheese spread.
Okay, so I've overfilled already. Definitely overfilled.
Okay, can you pour some into mine? No, you haven't filled mine. You only filled yours.
No, mine's bang on now.
Oh.
Okay, so what do I do now? Once slide.
Rock or something.
Sliding this in now.
Oh, it's not meant to already be in.
Your mom. Huh?
This is already meant to be in. God, you're not reading the instructions? Right. Stuff assembly into sleeve with top of the bag full.
Yeah, it is a water thing.
Okay. And this has got to fit in here. Okay. Now I can't read the rest of the instructions because it's in the sleeve. What does it say next?
Yeah, so
Place it on a rock or something for 5 minutes.
oh, it's starting to heat. Yeah,
It's
I feel
still
like,
then.
yeah, I gotta.
I'm placing mine on a rock or something. What do you just wait 5 minutes then? Beef Skittles while we wait. Beef stick? Oh,
Your teriyaki beef stick.
teriyaki beef stick.
All right, well now we've got room to negotiate.
Half a beef stick.
Teriyaki beef stick sounds banging.
Yeah.
It's on its flour, I think. So I'm going to use this guy as a bin, which I'm sure is protocol. And in the meantime, then, go through my sort of things. Thank you very much. Oh wow, it's like pepperoni, you know.
Yeah. It's actually more like a vegan meat stick texture that I've tried before.
Hot beverage bag.
Sorry, I didn't bring your seats.
I don't have anything that would be a hot beverage though. There's like no.
It's going to be in here, probably. Oh, bloody hell, what is that? It's like a medicine bag, isn't it? Beverage base raspberry type 3. First 2 ingredients. Citric acid. Also dextrin.
What is this? What's
For
this?
the blind. This is for the blind.
Canadian South survivors for blind, visually impaired. Iodine salt. Moist towelette.
Mine's not getting hot.
Mine definitely is.
Yeah, mine's not getting hot.
Do you need a splash more water then?
It's overflowed.
Okay. Bills
Oh, they
through.
smell like they've been there for a long time.
Freeze dried. What are they? Nuts. Barbecue.
They've
Flavour.
been in that packet for a long time.
Okay, so I'm tasting now
Nice texture.
corn nuggets, barbecue flavoured corn kernels.
Oh, it tastes like packet. Go back. Tastes like cheese.
They are rather aged.
That's what those peanuts you gave me were like.
I got creamer, coffee. It's quite clever though because they managed to sort of create a system where you don't need outside tooling, so it's just a self-contained food bag with all ways to heat it. It's right. Okay, so I've got apple jelly. I've got a big bag of raspberry puree.
We've got crackers as well.
The crackers though are for my peanut butter and apple jelly though. See? I've got coffee, creamer, sugar.
Squeeze it in your mouth.
What's the iodized salt for?
Red 40 Lake. Just for the red colour.
Yeah, the bag's puffing up big time.
Okay.
Is yours heating now?
Not really. Feel it.
Not at all, in fact. I don't think you have enough water in there.
Where's the white thing not in the water or something? Share yours with me.
Alright, so I folded these things up and it seems to have activated them.
Ah.
Because they're starting to warm up rapidly now.
Maybe that's the trick then. I didn't read the last bit of my instructions to be fair.
Yeah, so... Alright, yours is... Yeah, rapidly heating up now. Okay, so what's that?
You've put it upside down there.
Chocolate? Yeah, that's the idea. Yeah.
Yeah, but it's going to leak out, isn't it? The
No.
water will leak out.
Here, look. Stop. Yeah, I've done that. And it can go there like that. Okay. Right. So, electrolyte beverage powders. You've got a cheese spread.
Yeah.
And a barbecue sauce. Nice. It's all happening for you. The nutritious energy bar.
Mmm. Oh. There's some interesting ingredients.
We don't need to be chemically purifying
I
water.
want any more of those.
They're potent, aren't they?
Cheesy.
Mm.
Like to drink some.
Yeah, yours is puffing right up now. Like
Is
yours
this-
is exploding in size.
Oh, cool. Have you got the other water? Is it the waterfall? I'll put the watermelon electrolyte powder in that. Just you drink.
It's strong. It's got a crazy aftertaste going on, hasn't it? Alright, the crackers are pretty cool. Like, they're thin. They got like a, obviously a very wheaty but like salty thing going on.
No, they're nice. They have aged well.
Mm. The crackers are pretty cool.
Yeah. Do you want cheese spread, you cracker? I don't know if I
Um,
want the cheese spread.
I was gonna go nut butter. That's not what it's called. Peanut butter. And then the jelly. They call it jelly. We call it jam because we're civilized people. I don't know why we call it jam. I've no idea.
You jam everything in it.
Jelly actually makes way more sense to call it, because that's technically kind of what it is, really. What's that? Is that the
Yeah, cheese spread's pretty good.
Is it alright, is it?
That's really nice, actually.
Right, so this is the
So why
jelly.
did they put artificial colour in it?
Hmm?
What colour was it before? And they put orange
They make
in
it bright orange, don't they? The cheese whiz.
Cheese whiz.
Yeah, that's peanut butter and jam. You know, two by very nature they're preserves.
What kind of jam? Is it apple?
Apple.
Yeah, it's not something we do apple jam, is it?
No, apple jam is something like a parent would make.
Oh, apple butter I made. But jam.
Yeah.
Thanks.
The cracker.
And some cheese spread.
Yeah, I will. Fuck, I'm ruining my crackers though. In this fool's errand.
One more bit of cheese and then I'll try some of your...
Do you want a bit of the apple jam?
Yes, please. Proof, bud?
Apple jam is there, next to the cheese spread that you just put there. Running out, could do with more cracker.
Yeah, the cracker's really good. Ooh. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, come on, stop, you're walking on the food now. Do you want a bit of the peanut butter before it goes?
Yeah. Thank you. Oh, do a bit more. Try it with a bit of the jam. Oh, I think Mozzie's starting. Okay.
Right, so I'm going to try the cheese spread. It's going to be really acrid and chemically, is what I'm imagining.
No, it's not.
Not at all.
No. Okay, the bugs are really starting now.
It's alright, it's just like a slightly stronger version of like a laughing cow or something.
Oh, Saren, come back this way.
Oh.
No. Round. She's just walking around the tripod.
Pull it back. She's going to knock it over.
Saren, this way. Good girl. Come here. Ooh, fluffy pants.
Love these tiny Tabascos.
Yeah.
Here, have a tiny Tabasco.
Oh.
Matches are designed especially for damp climates, but they will not like when wet or after long exposure to very damp air.
Can you see something funny?
No.
Oh.
No, but go on.
American. French. So I've got Polish. Leftover Polish one in here as well. Was that Polish? No, that was Polish.
Yeah, we've got like the remnants of other ration packs around the globe. French one is the best so far.
French was great.
Has to be.
I was sad
back.
to have to share. Oh, he's got a collar now.
I think that's the farmer's dog.
Do you?
Yep.
And that's why it's just so freely roaming.
Yeah, I think he's fine.
Didn't have a collar on earlier though, did it?
Yes, it did.
Did it?
Yeah, 100%. Yeah, I'm confused by the giant thing of raspberry puree.
Just Squeeze it into my mouth.
It's probably what it is for, isn't it? It's even got a convenience factor.
Yeah, it must be like, baby food.
That's exactly what it is. It's basically like a puree type deal. You?
Way to get fruit veggie. Why have they added red and blue food colouring? That's something they do in America that I'll never understand.
Especially when it's like, it's not even on the plate for a visual element, is it?
No, it's in a bag.
It's just piped
Why
in.
is it blue? It's not even blue or red. Why have they added blue or red to it?
Come on, we've got company. We can't just be shitting on America the whole time. We've got an American bloke watching this.
American food scares me. Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, it's time for the main course. Mine is just
Yours is piping hot. That's still not that warm.
piping hot.
That's delicious.
Yeah, it is delicious.
Applesauce with raspberry.
Tastes like candy from a...
Yeah, it's really, like, the raspberry is really strong.
Gonna finish it?
Yeah.
Alright. It's pretty warm in there. But my guess is it's just going to be... It's going to be like... Yeah, it's quite warm. Oh, it's got a side opening thing. I was expecting to be like that.
Oh, yeah, so you can open it like a bowl.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Thoughtful. Is this the point where you need cutlery?
I've got one, remember?
Oh, yeah.
They give you a little spooning.
Sorry,
Amazing.
Says, this is probably like torture.
Oh,
We'll give you
shit.
your food when we get back.
Right. Down. How can I not do the novelty thing of Tabasco in there?
Yeah.
Tiny Tabascos. People sell these tiny Tabascos on eBay, like packs of 100 of them for like so and so amount of dollars, you know.
$1 bill, y'all.
Will it come out? Oh, just tipped over. What's that?
Not tortillas.
Yeah.
Tortilla.
Oh, it had like a plug in the top, a natural goo plug.
You put the whole thing in.
Oh yeah.
I say if it wasn't spicy already.
Ah, it's fine. Alright, let's go. So this is the chicken vegetable noodle.
Can't see the noodles.
You can, they're like sheeted.
Oh, is it like pasta noodles? Ooh. Ooh. Oh no. It's not warm.
No, it's kind of warm over here.
Will it kill us?
No. That bite was warm. It's warm
Oh
when my
gosh,
hand is.
spicy.
That's the Tabasco.
Oh, God, that's got a really good kick.
I should have stirred it. It's quite hot by here, but cold up the other end.
It's really nice, eh? Yeah, that's really tasty.
Not bad.
Oh, it's really spicy.
I think you just spooned a tiny bottle of Tabasco in your mouth.
I think I just... The bit that was left on the spoon was all Tabasco.
Oh, right. We're going to hoover those down.
Oh, there we go. They're French Rash Pack tissues.
Nice. It's all happening. Tropical.
Give you a tortilla.
I'll keep hold on to this back. I may decide to try and make this hot drink.
Oh, we haven't got water to heat. Well, a way to heat it up, I suppose.
Where's my other bottle gone?
Watermelon. electrolyte in it.
Right. Right, baseline powder. Much. Do that for another day.
That other dog wasn't he, was it? No, we think it's the farmer's
Yeah,
dog,
I thought
maybe.
so. I just said that. Looked a bit farmy, didn't it?
Yeah, well, we saw it up there originally. And no, it was down here, then it made its way up there, and it was like, but Dan just saw it again then and
It's
thought,
on its
oh,
way
maybe.
down now. I think it is.
Yeah, makes sense why it's so happy to roam.
Yeah.
This looks
Knackered
dense.
if it's been all the way up there.
Really?
What are you thinking can the lamb is down?
The chicken, shearer.
Oh.
Yeah, I know that they're the only thing I've not enjoyed from this. Everything else has been good.
The corn kernels have got like, they taste like old cardboard.
They taste like packet, like they've absorbed
They've absorbed some
everything
of the packet,
from the packet.
haven't they? Yeah. The 5 R's for optimal recovery: replenish energy stores often, repair muscles, replace fluids and electrolytes, rest and recover for the next mission. Timing is critical. Eat and drink within 30 to 60 minutes after physical activity. Your recovery meal has got 80 to 120 grams of carbohydrate, 15 to 25 grams protein, 16 to 32 ounces of fluids. Wild. Yeah, these breads are interesting. Like they're really like soft and
Well preserved.
well preserved. They hold in together pretty good.
It's cracking slightly.
After Hurricane
It's holding
Katrina,
it,
all the
but-
people, they were eating boxes and boxes of MREs for like months apparently,
Wow.
because all infrastructure was just blown apart.
Well, yeah, you just have to eat
Ow!
whatever they can get.
Yeah.
It blows my mind of like, food deserts where like people can't, like the environment just doesn't allow people to grow fresh food. Lukewarm pre-packed chicken scares me.
Let's do it. I'm sure it'll be fine. Definitely feels a bit more warmer in here than mine was.
Does it?
Yeah.
Yours felt piping hot from outside though.
Yeah. Okay. Got your spoon? Yep, got the same thing going on here.
There's barbecue sauce for this one.
Did you want to mix it through it?
Yeah, it's probably a good idea actually.
Oh, it's just pure chicken.
Yeah.
Yeah.
White chunks chicken cooked.
That's actually quite cool, to be fair. I was expecting it to, for some reason, because of the description, I was waiting to be in some sort of white base, like
I
bechamel
thought,
sauce.
yeah, white sauce or something.
You want to stir that up? So it's literally just, they've come with these barbecue sauce that you mix through it. That's probably fine, you're going to need some for yourself, eh? So, oh, there's loads of water running off of it.
Yeah, I tried to not scoop up it water, but
The correct route is going to a farmyard, and farmers can say, "Oh, you can't come to here." Oh, you can go over that gate there.
Yeah, it's like pre-cooked,
yeah,
ready to rumble chicken.
a bit like what we had in our sandwiches yesterday. Trimmings. Oh, it's a disaster.
End up with most of it on the back of my leg.
Yeah, I thought it was all going to drop out. Definitely need that moist towelette afterwards.
I'll be waiting a minute. Oh my god, wait for this. I will be awake. Whether I'll be warm.
Nice.
Yeah, that's good.
A little bit of chicken that I'd dropped. She wolfed that up. Yeah,
Oh, thanks.
that's all right. Here, have another one. This one for your leg. Literally all over the back of my trouser leg.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm dead keen on trying that energy bar next if you can. Probably going to want to draw the video to those bits. Yeah, it's pretty
Right,
wild.
we got
What's that? Electrolyte.
electrolyte.
Is this my bag of electrolyte,
No.
is it?
Right, First Strike chocolate flavour nutritious energy bar. Oh, it looks good. Jeez. Chewy.
Yeah, tough. I quite like that though.
Good though. She's licking the grass.
The dog really likes the barbecue sauce because she's licking the grass where the barbecue sauce was. So yeah, she's a big fan of that.
We should just found some chicken as well. Nice chicken flavour.
Right. That's just basic, isn't it? That's like that electrolyte's brilliant.
Yep. Thanks, John. Yeah, really good. Yeah, hours with food.
No, I don't think so. I've seen like videos of guys who go out exercise and stuff like that. And on the Alice, this guy had an Alice bag, and he's taking them out the bags and just keeping them in the translucent bags and packing several in a pocket. And like that's a lot. It seems like a lot, but like I'm guessing you would have 2 of these a day or something. I think they've got like something close to 2,000 calories in each one or something like that.
Wow.
So
Pounds.
just this bag of Skittles has got 250 calories.
Yeah.
Right. I mean, these are American Skittles, so they're probably different in some way.
Yeah, banned all the chemicals that are in American Skittles in the UK.
They already
They're
taste
so
slightly
bright.
different. They already taste slightly different.
They're glowing. One of every colour. Oh yeah. It tastes like what sweets in the UK used to taste like. There's no, come this way.
Potent.
Yeah, you can see the food colouring. But
See,
Yeah.
usually there's like, they sneak a weird gram of protein into something. There's 0 in this. Yeah, overall, like, they're pretty good. They're small, aren't they, the packs? But they're good. Everything in them was enjoyable.
yeah.
didn't dislike anything apart from the
Apart from the corn.
corn kernels.
Everything else was great.
Yeah. And you know, I'm really going to misbehave for my parents once I've eaten all these Skittles.
Yeah.
They will
Running.
not be able to control me. I'm going to be going apeshit in shops and hiding in the ladies' lingerie department, escorted out by security. But yeah, really good. Really enjoyed these. I'm not throwing them away. Yeah, I think we'll end the video there. But thanks very much for sending these. Really appreciate it. And yeah, I can't say any more than that really.
Oh, drip. So I just do a pan. So we were just up there. That's corned beef and that's Penavan.